हाँ, चैनल का नाम GAVDSZ।
हाय भाई।
GV नहीं, GAV।
जीबी भाई ब्लॉग मध्ये घेऊ मला दादा हिमालय दादा
हाँ, हिमालयन हिमालयन।
किती बरे तर दादा कोणी काय त्याला एक पेन
आता मला जायचं मुंबईला राहतो। 411। चला मी जातो। It feels so good, when someone says hi to you on the road. It's like I was holding a throttle to get a throttle.
What's up, welcome back to today we are going for a long ride. The first destination is set, it's Pune
At BKC, and from BKC now we are going to do straight Lonavala, no stops anywhere in between.
So, update, we have reached Palm Beach Road, and as you can see, Gavin and me have switched helmets. There we go. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna go any faster than that. That's enough for today. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's go with Gavin. Let's follow Gavin. Yeah, purely I don't have as I cannot go any faster like that.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm not in this JNPT, but my bike had already done 55 kilometers before that. Mostly it's half tank now. How fast did we go at Palm Beach Road? That I will only see on the SF250 video which I had recorded. I didn't record, my friend had recorded. So that voice that he heard behind was Shannon. Remember Shannon? That same guy was riding at 60 at Palm Beach Road. He's back now. I don't know. I 100% sure it was 140 plus, I guess. Why do we ride? You take the left for Panvel.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
And then you're off to Lonavala. So you'll just read the boards if you anytime ever get confused with the directions. Wow. So I have the rainbow visor. All this while I was seeing rainbow colors. Now I'm seeing the actual true beauty when I put the visor on top.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
And that's a Domineer 400. I don't want to race with this bike. He'll leave me in the dust. See? The second he went to open the throttle, he's gone now. There's no catching the Domineer. I found another Himalayan guy. Wow, that's a red color. It's a nice color. What? Shannon just said that his SF250 did 152. Where are these fools? Okay, so one more piece of information I wanted to share with you all. You know, it's the month of March. Wait, it's April.
Really, nigga?
And the weather is very pleasant. Initially I had thought, you know, that it's April, it'll be very hot. Thank God we came out. So I'm riding the SF250 now for some time. This bike is very nostalgic for me because I owned a SF150 before this and I have no issues in controlling this bike. I learned how to ride on this bike itself. Just the engine was a little more tamed. This one is not that tamed compared to the 150. SF250 is a very good bike. If you want something like this, and the Himalayan also sounds very good. I just wanted to see my own bike, from far how it looks. So I've been riding my bike since like almost 6 months now, and then when I switch to any other bike like a naked or sports bike, I feel the tires are a bit weird. But I feel my tires are more grippy. But in reality, on paper, these tires are supposed to be more grippier than my tires.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
The Domineer guy just put the bag behind just for the backrest. But I think so he was lying all this while. He didn't put it for the backrest. He wanted to ride and sleep at the same time. Yeah, so now we are done with the breakfast and we are heading back on the road towards Pune. So yes, we crossed Lonavala right now. We are far away from Lonavala, like 10-15 kilometers away, and another 70 kilometers more to go. Okay, so this is something new I'm seeing in Pune. So finally I've reached Pune. It feels so good. Traffic. Oh, it's getting hot. I'm feeling hot now. In the morning it was nice and cold, now I'm feeling hot.